Most gardeners think dry leaves are stubborn, that they just refuse to break down. That's wrong. They're not stubborn. They're starving. For 15 years, I watched my leaf piles sit there, month after month. I tried everything, turning, watering, even store-bought activators. Nothing worked fast enough. And honestly, my back couldn't take all that turning anymore. I'm 68, not 28. Then I discovered this simple formula. Now, 10 to 14 days. No heavy lifting, no constant turning. And it works whether you're in zone 4 or zone 9. So why do dry leaves take forever to decompose? Here's the truth. Most people don't know. Dry leaves are almost pure carbon. Carbon is structure, not fuel. Microbes need 3 things to multiply: nitrogen, moisture, and sugar. When leaves sit dry and unfed, microbes stay dormant. No bacteria bloom, fungi stall, and decomposition crawls. This is why leaf piles often sit unchanged for months, sometimes even years. The ideal carbon to nitrogen ratio is 25 to 30 parts carbon to 1 part nitrogen. But dry leaves alone, they're sitting at 60 to 1. Way too high. Once you correct that imbalance, decomposition accelerates immediately. So what's the solution? A simple 3-ingredient formula that changes everything. The fastest way to break leaves down is to combine nitrogen, microbial life, and sugar in water. This creates a microbial surge that colonizes leaf surfaces and starts digesting cellulose from the outside in. This liquid is not a fertilizer. It's a microbial ignition system. Here's the exact formula. Ingredient 1, unsulfured molasses. This is the secret weapon. Molasses is pure sugar, and it's rocket fuel for bacteria. You can find this at any grocery store for under $2. Ingredient 2, finished compost or worm castings. This introduces billions of decomposer organisms. If you don't have compost, a handful of garden soil works too. Ingredient 3, warm water. Water rehydrates leaf tissue and helps microbes penetrate. Warm water, not hot, speeds up activation. The ratio: 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 cup of finished compost, 1 gallon of water. Stir thoroughly until dissolved. Let it sit for 12 hours, stirring once or twice. This amount treats about 1 cubic meter of dry leaves. This simple kitchen ingredient that costs under $2 is about to change everything. Now, why does this work so fast? Molasses feeds bacteria instantly. Within hours, they start multiplying, sometimes 10 times faster than normal. The compost introduces decomposer organisms that are already hungry and active. And the water, it rehydrates leaf tissue so microbes can penetrate. Once bacteria bloom, fungi follow, feeding on bacterial byproducts and extending hyphae through the pile. This chain reaction generates heat, retains moisture, and creates rapid breakdown. The result? Days instead of months. Here's exactly how to apply it. Step 1. Gather your leaves. Collect dry leaves into a loose pile. About 3 to 4 feet wide works best. Don't pack them down. Step 2. Mix your formula. In a bucket, combine 1 tablespoon molasses, 1 cup compost, and 1 gallon warm water. Stir until the molasses dissolves completely. Step 3. Pour evenly. Pour the liquid over the leaves until they're damp, but not dripping. The goal is moisture consistency, not saturation. If leaves still feel dry after the first pass, add more water. Step 4. Cover lightly. Cover the pile with cardboard, burlap, or a thin layer of straw. This retains moisture and protects microbes from direct sun. And here's the best part. No need to turn the pile constantly. Your back will thank you. If bending is difficult, use a watering can with a long spout. Works just as well. Now you wait, but not for long. Here's what happens. Within 24 hours, the pile warms slightly. You might notice steam in the morning. Within 48 to 72 hours, leaves darken and soften. The volume starts shrinking. By day 7 to 14, you have finished compost, dark, crumbly, and smelling like earth. Now, timing varies by where you live. In warmer zones, 7 through 9, expect results in 7 to 10 days. In cooler zones, 3 through 6, allow 14 to 21 days. The warmer your climate, the faster those microbes work. Either way, days, not months. My neighbor Linda, she's 72, was skeptical at first. "I've tried everything," she told me. She'd been piling leaves in her corner for 3 years, and they barely looked different. So I helped her set up a small pile in her backyard. Zone 7. 5 days later, she called me over. "I can't believe it," she said. "It smells like earth." No heavy work, no back pain, just compost. Now she does this every fall. If Linda can do it at 72, so can you. Here are 3 tips to speed things up even more. Tip 1. Shred your leaves first. Whole leaves work fine, but shredded leaves, they compost twice as fast. Why? More surface area means microbes can colonize more efficiently. A simple lawnmower pass does the trick. Tip 2. Keep the moisture level right. Your pile should feel like a wrung-out sponge. Damp, but not dripping. If it dries out, reapply the formula every 3 to 5 days. Tip 3. Add coffee grounds if you have them. Coffee grounds are high in nitrogen. Sprinkle a thin layer on top before you pour the liquid. This gives microbes an extra boost. But this is optional. The formula works great without it. Now a few important warnings. Do not add meat, dairy, or oils. These attract pests and slow decomposition. Leaves from diseased plants. You don't want to spread problems. Leaves recently sprayed with pesticides. Give them a season to break down first. Is it safe around pets? Yes. Molasses, compost, and water are all natural. Just keep pets from digging in the pile while it's active. What about the smell? A healthy pile smells earthy, like forest floor. If it smells bad, it's too wet or needs air. Fluff it gently. How do you know when it's done? Look for these signs. Dark brown color, uniform throughout, earthy smell, pleasant, not sour, crumbly texture, no visible leaf shapes, cool temperature. The heat has finished its work. So remember, those leaves aren't stubborn. They're just waiting for the right ingredients. 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 cup of compost, 1 gallon of water. That's all it takes to turn months of waiting into days of transformation. If this helped you, I'd love for you to join our community. Subscribe and hit that bell. We share tips like this every week, designed especially for gardeners who want smarter methods, not harder work. Join over 50,000 senior gardeners who've discovered that smart gardening beats hard gardening. Now I'm curious, what's your biggest composting challenge? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I often answer them in future videos. See you in the next one. And remember, your garden doesn't need more work. It needs smarter work.